to Queen Worm Farm. My royals, do I have a treat for you? I am actually expanding the content of this channel, not only to red wiggler raising, but now to black soldier fly raising as well. On the homestead here, I initially thought that raising red wiggler worms was going to be the perfect thing to feed out to my chickens and my quails and ducks and geese. But you know what? Reality check is what I read on the internet and what reality is collided and definitely did not agree with each other. It takes much longer for a small red wiggler worm to get to an adult size than what the internet actually stated. So the amount that I actually need to feed out to my chickens and quails to make a dent in their food, well, let's just say it's not going to work out that way. So what I've decided is I'll definitely keep the red wigglers on, and I'm selling them Canada-wide and locally in the northern Alberta area to people who have composters, who want to raise them to get rid of their kitchen scraps, or to just raise a small batch for fishing or for reptiles to eat. That is possible and works very, very well. But raising them to feed out hundreds or thousands at a time, well, just not gonna cut it here. So I did some research, and Black Soldier Fly Larvae, on the other hand, these guys right here, yes, that is the way to go. Each female fly lays 500 to 1,000 eggs. It's unbelievable. Not only that, it only takes about 4 days for those eggs to hatch after they're laid. And then they go into this larva stage, and this larva stage lasts from basically the 5th day after hatching all the way to 13 or 15 days, depends on the temperature. And then guess what? By the 15th day, I can have 10, 20,000 maggots ready to feed to my birds. That, my royals, is what you need to do to feed out to your birds. That makes a difference. This right here is about 1,000 larvae. Take a look at their size. They're huge compared to our native flies here. Their larva is very, very small. So this absolutely made so much sense. So I'm going to try to create a really nice balance of the two. Now, if you are in my area, I do give one-on-one training classes on how to raise red wigglers or how to raise black soldier fly right here at Queen Worm Farm. So if you're interested in that, check out everything-homemade.com. I can also do everything by video call as well. So if you are not in this area, but let's say you have the same kind of climate, you need to raise these completely inside because you're not in a tropical area, I can definitely show you and teach you how to do that. It's all on the website, everything-homemade.com. So with that introduction of these black soldier fly is done, get ready, my royals, because new content is coming on how to raise them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you and these in the coming videos.